Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I'm in downtown Istanbul Bulunmaz showroom and we are having a great day. Here is our customer from Moldova. He is having a training with faceting machine. Here is our ring maker. It's under operation with our technicians creating brand new models. And here is Mr. Little Bird. Furkan. Hello Furkan.
Hello, welcome to Bulunmaz.
Are you little?
No, not yet.
Okay, not yet. He's creating new models with our bestseller Banglemaster 12 axis CNC machine. What are you doing today?
Today we are making very tiny rings in 1 gram.
Our customers, especially from Eastern Europe, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, they are very interested in lightweight rings, lightweight as Furkan.
Yes.
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 So we are working on such beautiful lightweight, almost 1 gram rings and created with Banglemaster CNC machine. This is a flat, but you can also make a round and even you can work on the sides. Can you show us?
Okay.
Show me. Banglemaster CNC machine gets its name from bangles because it's especially developed for bangle production. Because of very big surface on the bangles, it can work with many different tools on bangles. But don't think Banglemaster is working only on bangles. It's specialized on rings, bangles, pendants, flat items, earrings, many different items. Just have a check our YouTube channel for different videos of Banglemaster, how you can work on different items. You can even do 3D design with Banglemaster. How do you feel with Banglemaster?
Feel happy.
By Banglemaster, be happy.
Because you can every rings and bangles or
Rings,
easily
bangles, pendants,
Earrings.
earrings, 3D items.
any difference.
I'm
no problem.
thinking to change the name of Banglemaster.
Why?
I will make Bulunmaz everything master.
Okay.
You can work on everything.
Okay, nice name.
For example,
Easy master.
Easy Master. How long it takes this operation?
2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. It's enough for the ring.
And how many ring models you are working? I think several.
There is a 4 rings now, but I will make 10 rings.
These are all very thin rings. How many millimeter on this side?
7.
0.7 millimeter on the side, so the rings is almost 1 gram. Can you check how many gram?
Yes, of course.
I'm checking our rings. 1.26 gram. 1.15. It doesn't want to stay. 1.4. 1.23, 1.20. So you can work almost 1 gram. So with such models around 1 gram, today 1 gram of gold is $60 almost, and 14 karat it means like $35. So $35 material cost, you can have a ring and you can sell it 40, 50, $55, whatever. That's a really low cost for your customer and you can gain really good market, especially if your country needs lightweight rings. Can I check?
Yes, of course.
Please check, please give me.
There is a very shiny and tiny ring, as you see, tiny, for the low cost, because you know gold cost very expensive today in the world.
Let's check how many gram. Another ring, 1.35 gram. So as I told you, you can sell your end customer almost $50. That's a really low cost. Let's say 2 people are getting married. So 1 pair of ring will be just $100. That's a really low value for any market around the world today. What do you think about this? When you will get married, it's so cheap to marry.
I don't know, but I want to say something.
Yes, please.
If you want to little bit tiny rings, you can make with Banglemaster.
It's Tuesday, we are in the middle of the week and we are having a busy day in Bulunmaz downtown Istanbul showroom. Here you can see our tool factory is working a lot. Tool factory, the diamond guys, 3 of them are working in operations. Here is our Kuyumcu showroom. That's in the middle of the week. As I told you, we are working pretty much these days. And here our customer is having training about a faceting machine and Turgay is even here. Turgay, dobre utra.
Dobre utra.
Turgay is from Mexico, değil mi?
Yeah, I'm from
What
Mexico.
happened to your mustache?
Cut. I cut.
Why did you
I
come
cut.
to office today?
I come here is for training. We have a customer from Moldova.
Why did the customer run away? Why
Customer is, I think is today is I work too much. That's why.
Turgay, make us
They
our
want to
customers
come.
said
No,
they are
don't-
running
don't-
away.
don't
Okay,
come
they are
to-
coming.
Yeah.
Okay, for the importance of today, I wanna give you one gift. Turgay, I bring your gift. We love you. I bring your gift immediately.
Okay, I made. Cemal, give me a surprise. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See you again in the next exhibition.
Apricot.
Apricot. Apricot.
Apricot.
Peach değil mi bu?
No, not peach.
Okay, apricot.
This
Apricot.
good boy, not peach.